Hey guys, so a quick video for you about the Xiaomi robot vacuum S40C and what are the things to be aware of if you want to actually buy it. The suction power, this is the first thing, the kind of the cone of it is like 5000 PA, and for example S40C got only 5000 and S40 got 10,000. So this is like the first thing to be aware of. Now, the suction power is alright, but it may be as effective at like deep pile carpets comparing to the more premium tools. So if you want looking for something like basic, that you don't have like much things on the floor, you don't have carpets, you just want to have something to go and clean it, it's alright. And it works well, but mopping and tangle control has also limitations. And you have like 2600 battery there, so it can be like medium-sized apartments up to like 80 meter square. A basic mopping function, you don't have any emptying base station, so that's another thing to be aware of. And occasional also navigation errors, that's like another thing. And that's pretty much it. So this is like the best thing for hard floors only. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.